Hello, hello, my dear friends. Today we continue our course of learning Russian language and topic today describing the word дикая, wild in English, and where we use this word дикая with what nouns we use this word дикая. So let's look at examples. Поехали. Look at examples. The first examples. Дикие племена. Дикие племена. This is a group of people who live absolutely another life and they don't want to communicate with another people. I know, as much as I know, there are 7 groups of such people today. So look at these people. Сентинельцы, Асара Мудмен, Караван, Чимбу, Карубо, Пираха, Сурма. So if I'm not right, so write comments please and correct me. And another phrase which we usually use with this adjective, the word дикая, this is adjective, прилагательное in Russian. Дикая мысль, дикая мысль. What does it mean? It means that you have this thought unexpectedly. You didn't accept to get this thought. And the next example, дикий восторг, дикий восторг. We use this phrase which we are very wondering about something. For example, you get a promotion at work or you bought anything. It can be absolutely different thing. I don't know. Maybe a new car, new clothes, a new computer, and so on. So you feel like you are very wondering. You feel дикий восторг, дикий восторг. And another example, дикая охота, дикая охота. So people can hunt an animal and also animal can hunt another animal. So we call this дикая охота, дикая охота. Another example, дикий пляж, дикий пляж. Дикий пляж, this is a place which no one was there. But sometimes, what about me? I would like to be in such place when I feel very exhausted. So I really would like to be in such place. And the water is clean there. We also say like mirror, water like mirror. Зеркальная вода, зеркальная вода. And another example, дикое желание, дикое желание. If you want something, дикое желание. Very, very much, very, very much. And example, Это просто здорово иметь в своей жизни человека, которому звонишь в глубокой депрессии, а кладешь трубку с сумасшедшим желанием жить. Сумасшедшее желание или дикое желание. This is the same words. Crazy. Crazy wish. Okay, let's look at another examples. Дикая жара. Дикая жара. Дикая жара when it's very, very hot outside. Usually, what about Russia? It can be in summer. And 3 days ago, it was very hot outside. It was 40 degrees above zero, and I feel very terrible. I don't like such kind of hot, and I can't really do something because my head is getting very, very feel not good. Okay, another example. Дикая зависть. Дикая зависть. Envy. When you feel not comfortable, maybe it can be at work, maybe one of your college boss made offer about promotion at work, and you feel like you would like to be in this place, so you feel envy, дикая зависть. And дикая злость, anger. You feel дикая злость when like in previous example, in this person who work with you and he got a promotion at work, and maybe you are angry at him, for example, and there are a lot of examples when you feel anger. Дикие звери who don't live and at home, they live in the forest, outside, not with you. Дикие звери. Another example, дикие цветы. Дикие цветы. We know that there are a lot of flowers which you grow up on the windowsill, but there are some flowers which grow outside, not at home. This is дикие цветы. And дикая местность, дикая местность. Дикая местность, this is the place, also like дикий пляж, maybe no one was there. It can be дикая местность. And that's all for today. I hope that you like, share with your friends, like. So see you next time. Bye bye.